In this video I will show you how does sorting work in Python. In Python we use the sorted function for sorting, which is a built-in function in standard library. Let's sum up what problem do we really want to solve. Here are the numbers from 1 to 5 ascending. Assume you have an unsorted list of numbers of 2, 4, 3, 5 and 1 and you want to sort it. The output should be the list of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The sorted function does exactly that for you. It compares the elements to each other and creates a new list from the original iterable where the elements are in an ascending order. Note that the original list doesn't change. Here is a similar example with letters instead numbers. I want to emphasize Python is aware of the ordering of the letters in alphabet. The string CADAB is an iterable, in which case sorted is able to consume it. It produces a new list of ABCDE where the letters are ordered. If you want a descending ordering, you can pass the argument reverse with the value of true. In that case, you'll get back the reverse string of ABCDE, which is ADCBA. It's also possible to use a custom key function to determine a custom ordering instead ascending or descending ordering. The key is a function with a return value, which is applied to every element of the list before the sorting happens. After the key is applied to the elements, they get sorted by their keyed values, as you see here. Let's see an example. Assume we have a list of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and we want to get the elements sorted by their distance from 3. This distance for number 1 is 2, for number 2 it's 1, for number 3 it's 0, for number 4 it's 1 and for number 5 it's 2. In that case, the first element of the sorted list will be 3 because its keyed value is 0, which is the lowest. After number 3 comes number 2 and number 4 because they both have the same keyed value 1. At the end of the list will be number 1 and number 5 because they have the highest keyed value 2.